Prizm World Cup 16083. Let's do this thing. That's it. 3 boxes of Breakaway. Want you to Gigi love the lights. Tell you what, the old break fill for Mr. Wyatt. Either way, Cyrus, you can do both. The random hit of Brace is down to 10 left. The old 10 boxer. All right, Torres, Afif, Perisic and Brozovic, Cavani, Scorers Club Silver, Boyle. Messi, New Era Martinelli, Davies, Rajkovic, Gannon. Oh boy, Sai, good luck, my man. Quarter, Olsen, Tarami, New Era, Pepsi Man, Silver Morocco logo. Plata, Silver Kimpembe, Diaby, Pinot. Molina, Raum, Kaminsky, Zalewski, Rodri. New Era, Vind, Global Reach, Courtois. Chronicles Football 2 box break down to 8 left. Gavadio, Daramy, Redemption. I'm going to quick reveal it. It's a Podolski, International Link, Breakaway. Someone will tell me who Lucas Podolski plays for. Silva, Hongla. I assume somewhere European. Christensen. Lucas Podolski. Ezatalahi, Mendez, Kim. Connections of Busio and Pepsi Man, Hincapi, Pelistri. Noah Lang. Armage Spain. Oh, that's right. It is, of course. It is, of course, that because there was the infamous Colsey Auto Messi card, or whatever the hell it was. Tanaka, Ali, Vlahovic, Red, Akanji. Now it's a 99. Mamea. Collins Fight. Sailmakers, Global Reach, Messi, Barber, Contreras. Alvarez, Hassan, Jiang, New Era, Rafinha, Red of Baba. Down to 99, Hrustic. Buchanan, Costa, Jonathan David. A purple, Kovacic, number to 35. Pepe. Susic, Timber, Pulsar, Sola, Pulisic, Archiaga, Gravy Train, Tunisia, Plata, Tanaka, connection to Pedri and Gavi, Bernardo Silva, Pino. Anderson, Sheeb, Saliba, Pogba, Japan, Adesiata. Next closest breaks are out. Refresh doesn't even work. Of course it doesn't. Cachero, Sung Lee, Silva, Seferovic, Antonio Malin, Sharani, Guian. Our Corkings Vivit break is full next. Coop Miners is National Pride. Connections of Pulisic, and no, it's just a new era Silva, Rafinha. Salam Eldasari. Oh yeah, what happened in the Women's World Cup results today? Ali, Artiaga, New Era Pereira, Stefan.
No games today.
Oh.
Just tonight.
Well, there you go. Big SK v Germany and Morocco v Colombia. Golizade, Scottish Club Cavani, Mexico logo. Yeah, that's right, because they play the final table games at...
This is the last.
Yeah, last opening round. Is this an auto? Let's find out. It's International Ink, Frank Lampard for England.
What's he drawn there, Blake? Looks a bit nice.
Oh, big winky. Very nice. Samiento. Connections of Anya Di Maria, Global Reach Coutinho. Jiku. The video of the Bojan, Haraguchi, England, Dieng. Matilda's opening the stickers we gave them, Dale. Yeah. It's very funny because they find out live that Brazil gets knocked out of the World Cup. And the reaction is just, man, it's like, World Cup's crazy, bruh. Tell me. Hold that on a shirt. Connections, Alves and Silva, Global Reach, Huang. There. Gonda, Haydos, New Era, Allen. Blue, Anthony Contreras, 49, Pavlovic. So, Colombia is in 1. South Korea's had a rough go of it now. Ugbo, Flores, Kimpembe, Jan Summer, Nkunku. 2 autos isn't bad. Morocco and Germany fighting pretty much for that second spot. Eustaquio. Miguel, very unlikely that Colombia gets knocked out. Sterling. Pink, Casemiro, numbered to 99. Hey, is it impossible? No, it's not. Jonathan David. And a Pulsar, Felix Torres, Canada. Joe Rodden. One of the craziest parts was that Jamaica got through only having kicked 1 goal the entire tournament. Vega, Nira Mejbri. Blue, Syed Ezatalahi for Iran to 49, Mamea. And then finally, Joe, Pulsar, Jordan Pickford, Phil Foden, Cannies, and Shakira. And that is that for Prizm World Cup 16083.